Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to Blue Specs, not glasses. In the last video, in the Among Us video, the Among Us game super happiness. I played like blue glasses for the whole time, like a million times. If you heard that voice when it started, yes, that was Jengas. So yes, today we are going to play with Jengas, but not actually play with Jengas. So what I really mean, like, I'm going to show you some towers of Jengas. Like this and like this. This would be named as, what's the name? Blue Specs Eiffel Tower, and this is, I have already named it, a farm without animals fall. That's a good name. Anyways, so first first we're going to do the dominoes Jenga trick. So let's get started. What the? Yeah. So we are on the floor. You cannot see my head because it's going to be up. So this is the dominoes Jenga trick. It will fall something like this. Now let me think of a design. Let's do a forest fire. I'll just erase it. Okay, so for the forest fire, we're going to make a tree. So we're just going to separate 5. We have these. So you can see today, before I start, I just want to mention that I'm going to use 2 kinds of Jengas. One these and one this. You can see the size difference. So yes. So we'll remove these Jengas in the side. Okay, 5 of these we need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and now we're going to put them aside. Now we're going to create. The Jenga. First fire. I mean, first we're going to, like this, like a T. Then like this, then like this, like this. I want you to make only like 3 floors, 1, 2, 3. If you go to 4, it's gonna fall. So this is the maximum height you could get. There's a big chance of falling because it's lightweighted. So yeah. So guys, this is my final result. So it's something like this, okay? Now we're gonna make a dominoes. So this is just a small one. I usually make a big one. No, don't fall, Mr. Chin. Yeah, so now we're gonna make a dominoes chain. So we just put like this. Actually, we'll use these heavier blocks in the first. I'm scared that these will not fall. Actually, these guys don't fall. Heavier blocks do not fall, so like these blocks, you can see the size comparison. So the bigger blocks actually have more weight, so they won't fall usually. Like the blocks are more weight, so less weight, so they can fall easily. So I'm making a little curve because that looks nice, and a curve again because that also looks nice. I'm also doubting on my Jenga dominoes tricks because I'm bad at curves. But it's not that much curve, huh? I think there's not that much curve. Yeah, I think it's not that much curve. And I'll stop murmuring. Okay, just stop murmuring. Oh, by the way, if you just want to know what's my next video going to be, and you're a little bit of so curious, I'll just tell the topic. It's not for sure going to be that. Probably I also cancel the topic, but I'm going to do that topic Sunday. So the topic is actually going to be how to make a chocolate lava cake. So I will be in the kitchen for the first time, in my mother's kitchen. Okay, so I'm kind of making like a circle. I'll show you the top view and the slow-mo view. No, not the slow-mo view. Slow-mo view will just make it so slow. This is a big one. This is a totally big one, guys. This is where am I putting this here? Whatever. I'm almost done. I also give you a top view of this. Yeah, looks nice from the top view. It's like a wiggling buggling bloom. Wiggling buggling bloom. Wiggling buggling bloom. Now I'll just make one more tree out of these Jenga blocks. I'll just remove this much. Yeah, I'll make a few trees out of these. I'll not go back because that Mr. Phone said I don't remember what he said. Mr. Phone just did not say anything, okay? He says so, his voice is so bad I don't even remember what he says. Guys, this is the approximate top view. See, you can see like this is a top view and we are going to do a top fall. So as you can see, this was the fire and this was the trees that just got burned. It's actually very sad to say, but yeah. Actually guys, the tower fell when I was adjusting the phones. I just put it back. It just fell by one floor. It just got damaged by one tower. The first tower. Because I was making so slow. You saw my speed, right? That was my maximum speed I could done. So that I was putting so slow that the tower was getting badly saved. I'm also putting it so slow this time that it's going to be getting badly saved. And one on the top. Now we're going to do a slow-mo shot. Oh, actually we have two. Did not see that. Wait. Let me put two on the top. Yes, I'll just put an overall. Don't fall again. Yeah. Wait a second. A selfie time. No. Actually, this is the side. This is the side view. Okay. This is the front view. Now for a slow-mo shot. So in this, we're going to use these big blocks for the base because the small blocks. So first we'll put like this. Yeah, this is much better. So like this. I have not made for a long while, like a week or so. I've played Among Us for a week or so. Oh, by the way, I reminded Among Us. Yesterday I went to my friend's house and at her phone, I became 3 times imposter in a streak in one time. Yes, so this is how to make. First you'll do standing and then sleeping. Then again standing. And this is also not like this. You have to put it like this. Okay? And then again like this. And like this. And then again like this. Like this. Now after a while, I'll show you what is next to do. And this time there are many now. So guys, after the tower like this, Jenga blocks is over, you can just put the blocks a little closer. And now what you can do is now we take the small blocks and now put it like this. Now we're going to far this up so it looks a little nice. Now like this, okay, and then take like this, as the same as we did on the, the same as we did here, we're going to do the same here. Okay, so once we are done, we'll just check. Guys, this is the overall outcome. Oh yeah. Mr. Phone, I'm so annoyed. First, you just disrespected my channel by saying Blue Specs and Apple Tower. Sounds like Apple Tower. But anyways, you have done by 4 things disrespecting me. One of my speed in the first video, and my favorite bird, 2 things, and my channel and the Eiffel Tower. And my Eiffel Tower looks cool. Oh, by the way, actually, wait, what the? What the? Oh, my car broke actually. Whoa, 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 whoa. Anyways, so yeah, guys, I made this one Lego car today. And this one Lego car, say which one I like. I actually like this. So today I'm going to do an epic slow-mo shot by driving this car. Yeah, so this slow-mo shot is going to be really cool. Just see the slow-mo shot. This is my expression. The car literally just broke by crashing in the wall. The last wheel came and you saw it. I mean, it's not that big, and just few headlights and wheel is done. And the tower is still untouched. We'll try one more time after I built the car. Yeah, I just wait. Yeah, yeah, guys. So that was it. I just let me go in the more. Wait, what? What? Yeah, I'll just show you uh, where what happened. Yes. So I'll wait. This is going to where the car is going to crash. You see the wheel? No, that's not the point. This video is so long. Yeah. Now, guys, just see very closely and yeah. Wait. What? What did I just do? Sorry. Cancel. Oh no! Wait. Let me just go to the exact point. Yeah. If you notice, there's a little mark. Yeah, in this shot, you can clearly see this, guys. In this shot, you can see the wheel in the side of the tower. When the car just hit the wall and the 2 bricks were going to fall. Okay, you can see in the side, there's a wheel rolling. If you don't notice, I'm also going to put the markup sign. Wait, let me put a screenshot in this. Wait, sorry. I'll just show you what just happened, markup. You can see here the wheel. So that's the wheel. That's so funny. Yeah, so yeah guys, so that's today's video. That the last wheel part was just so amazing. And remember, next time I'll be in the kitchen with the chocolate cake. So just remember that. Till then, bye.